Hey chickens, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Marky Marino, and we're here for another unboxing video of my newest purchase. It's a perfume from Spain, from the house of Loewe. So quick background lang how I purchased this one. So one of our ports is Palma de Mallorca, Spain. So when we go to the mall, nakita ko na it's on sale. So I checked because this one is one of my favorite scent talaga because one of our passenger used this and then for 3 days na naaamoy ko pa rin yung smell niya, and even when they left already 2 weeks 3 weeks nandun pa rin yung amoy. So ayun, sabi ko I want to buy this one because I like the smell and I will definitely purchase. So yun na nga, pinurchase ko na siya. Loewe Essentia from the house of Loewe. So the Loewe brand is originally from Spain, and it's part of the Louis Vuitton group of companies. So yan, tingnan natin. And from the look, sa ano pa lang, sa packaging, sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda. And pag inaamoy ko siya, naamoy ko na kagad na yung ano niya, yung scent niya, lumalabas na. Pero hindi ko pa siya nabuksan talaga. Yan. Diba? This is the Loewe logo. Yan. And this is the price, if you will ask. So for 150 ml, I believe nakamura ako, and meron pang 20 ml na ano siya, small bottles. And I can't wait to open, and now i-open na natin. So let's go. Sa presentation niya, sobrang minimalist ng design. Yung logo niya sa harap is like a plant or a fern. So yan. Amoy na amoy ko na. Grabe, sobrang bango. The box is black and then the Loewe design. Wow, sobrang ganda. Ayan siya. Nakatayo siya. I don't know how to... hindi. Ibubuklatin siya. Yan, sobrang ganda. Wow, first time. This is the... So. Yan. So, meron siyang lalagyan, ganyan. Wow. Loewe Essentia. Eau de Parfum. Napakalaki ng bote. And this one is the, ano niya. And the free 20 ml bottle. And this one is the 150 ml bottle. So, I bought this two for 116 euro in Spain. See the cap, ayan, wood siya, and meron siyang engraved ng ano niya, Loewe logo. And when we open, ayan, yung sprayer din niya. Sobrang bango. Actually, kahit hindi ko na-spray, naamoy ko na siya. Yan. This one, nakita ko ang ano niya ang model niya sa 2024 campaign is si Jamie Dornan ng 50 Shades of Grey. Pero naamoy ko kasi siya dun sa passenger namin, and sobrang bangong-bango ako. Yan. So yun, this is a 69% volume of alcohol and 31% is the combination of water and the perfume itself. This scent is for more male or masculine scent talaga. So if you're looking for a good perfume na scene stealer tsaka talagang maamoy nung mga nasa paligid mo, this is the perfect one. It's a similar to Creed Aventus, pero I can say na you can smell the difference with this one. It's also a combination of the elegance of fruit and citrus smell, and it's suitable for all occasion and all season. One of the advantage of this one is the price is not too expensive but not that cheap. So it's in the middle lang, and pag nagsisale siya, sobrang affordable na niya. This has a huge sillage for at least 6 hours. And yun nga, the longevity is up to 24 hours or long pa. Sa akin, na-experience ko, 3 cruise na siya, pero naamoy ko pa rin yung ano niya, yung scent niya dun sa room, dun sa suite nung passenger. Yung main accords niya pala is woody, earthy, mossy, aromatic, lavender, and powdery. And it may not last long on some skin type. And powdery and mature feel in the dry down may not appeal to everyone. Yun nga. So, if you're not into that masculine and familiar ka sa Aventus Creed and hindi mo siya masyadong feel, hindi siya masyadong para sa'yo. So, all in all, masasabi kong sulit itong aking purchase ng aking Loewe Essentia dahil nabili ko nga siya ng 116 euro instead of 195 euro. Sobrang saya ko kasi first item ko na Loewe product and I'm looking forward sa mga susunod ko na item from Loewe and sobrang gusto ko rin kasi talaga yung amoy niya, very citrusy, very fruity, tsaka pang masculine. So, yun, sobrang happy and I will purchase again in the near future. So that's it for my unboxing. Sobrang saya. Diba? Loewe Essentia. Ayan. Special edition nga pala siya kasi nga may free siyang 20 ml. So that's it for my unboxing video of my Loewe Essentia Special Edition. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and i-hit like nyo na rin and i-share nyo na rin for more videos in the future. Kaya hanggang sa susunod, this has been Marky Marino and I'm out. Thank you mga chicken. Bye-bye.
Loewe.